Building a house in Kenya involves several steps. Number 1, land acquisition. Choose a location that suits your lifestyle and is accessible to essential services. Verify the land's ownership, boundaries, and legal status through a land search at the Ministry of Lands. Number 2, design and planning. Collaborate with an architect to create a design that considers your preferences, budget, and local building regulations. Obtain necessary approvals from local authorities. Include sustainable and energy-efficient features in the design for long-term benefits. Number 3, budgeting. Account for all costs, including land purchase, design fees, construction materials, labor, permits, and unforeseen expenses. Consider a contingency fund to address any unexpected issues that may arise during construction. Number 4, hiring professionals. Choose a reputable contractor with a proven track record and proper licensing. Work with qualified professionals such as structural engineers and surveyors to ensure the project's success. Obtain necessary permits. Liaise with the local government or county council to obtain building permits and adhere to zoning regulations. Stay informed about any changes in building codes or regulations during the construction process. Some of these building permits, you can find them on my previous videos. Number 6, site preparation. Clear the land of debris, trees, and rocks. Ensure proper drainage on the site to prevent waterlogging. Number 7, foundation construction. Decide on the type of the foundation based on the soil conditions and local building norms. Hire experienced masons to ensure a solid and level foundation. Number 8, build the superstructure. Construct the walls, roof, and other structural elements based on the architectural plans. Choose construction materials that suit the local climate and meet quality standards. Regularly inspect the construction work to ensure it aligns with the approved plans. We have more steps to be followed, which will be highlighted on our next video, so stay tuned.